Friends, we are going to the beach and I am so excited because it's been a long time. I haven't gone, like years. So right now it's about to be 8 o'clock, so we're getting ready. I just finished getting ready. Now I'm gonna get the stuff ready to go. I'm gonna get some snacks ready. What else? A towel, my book, and then I'll see what else I need. So yeah, so follow me to get ready. Okay, friends. Well, this is what I'm gonna be taking to the beach for snacks. I'm just gonna take a little bit of each. I'm gonna put them in a Ziploc bag, and I'm also gonna take a mango. Ooh, my alarm. Some guayabas. I ate one last night. It wasn't the greatest, but it was alright. And then in here I have papaya. I just bought papaya this week and I cut some up. So I'm gonna take whatever I have left. And that's all the fruit I have. So this is all I'm taking. And sadly, we're not gonna take my baby. I know, mi amor, right? We're not gonna take you, princess. She wants some snack already. It's so early, mommy, for you. I'll give you papaya, okay? I'll give you some papaya ahorita. So I'm gonna cut the mango so it's easier to eat, and I'm gonna be placing it here. It's just like what's the name of this? It's a like ¿cómo se llama? Like como un tipo curtido, I think. Just for flavor. It's que like this one, but this thing says que it has salami. And do I like salami? For the whole day?
2 hours. Yeah, that's it. ¿Qué es?
Ay, ¿qué es eso?
Es un balón, creo. ¿Verdad? Es un animal. Yo creo que será.
Ay, ¿qué cosa? ¿Qué cosa?
¿Qué?
¿Qué? ¿Qué hay?
Cangrejos chiquitos.
¿No me pican?
No.
Oh, okay.
Más quiero ver qué es. Si sea un tipo jellyfish.
No, esos no van a andar acá.
No, si es un animal, mira.
¿Eso es un animal?
Sí, mira. Los tentáculos y eso.
¿Los qué?
Los tentáculos, ve.
Ay, guácala.
Sí, ha de ser una jellyfish.
Pobrecita, pero ¿por qué está aquí?
Do I touch it?
No, y si te da uno así, no le
Ha de estar muerto. El agua se lo carga acá.
¿Se marea? A ver, dale más para acá. Qué rico.
Ya me empiezo a sentir que tiene la arena.
Hi friends. So today is the next day. Today is Wednesday. Yeah, today is Wednesday, and it's already late in the afternoon, and I came to pick up my glasses. So I did my eye exam, and they actually prescribed me glasses. So they've been long overdue. Let's go and pick them up. I'm excited. I'm back from picking up my glasses, and I'm gonna show you. And this is my first time. Actually, no, I saw myself there when I tried them, but this is my first time trying my own glasses, you know. So let's see. They scratch already? No. Oh man, they have like a. They didn't give me a towel. This is all I got, the little pouch and the glasses. So these are the glasses. Let's see. Whoa! Can I see better? Oh, I need to adjust my eyes. It's there to see far away. So, and apparently the prescription that I got, it's not really high. So yeah, it's just like for whenever I'm driving, that's when I feel like that's when I need them, or whenever I need to see far away. But the main reason why I decided to get glasses, it's for whenever I have to drive at night, especially at night. That's when I have the most trouble with my vision. So yeah, so this is how I look. Do I like how I look? I feel like I look nerdy, but I feel like they don't look that bad. Show you a little haul. I went to Ross and Marshalls. Yeah, Marshalls. It was Marshalls. So Ross and Marshalls. So I'm gonna do a little haul for y'all so you can see what I got. These are some shoes, as you could tell by the box. Oops, I'm not trying to show the price. So they're just some shoes. These are a present. There you go, like this. So hopefully they like these. I like them, so I think this is something they will enjoy. Now this is for my house, for our home. So in this thing, it's like a little tray basket. I've been looking for a box or some kind of container to put all the like first aid, like medicine, band-aids, alcohol, hydrogen peroxide, pills, whatever, cough drops. So I'm gonna try to put everything here. Hopefully it fits. And I was in between this one and another one. The other one was a little smaller and it had a lid, but I stopped myself from getting that one because I'm like, the rubbing alcohol and then the what's the other one, the hydrogen peroxide, those bottles are a little bit bigger, so I knew they weren't gonna fit there. So I'm like, this is perfect because they could just pop up and it won't be on the way, because even this, it's like a little tall. But yeah, hopefully everything fits in here. So this is another present, and it's a purse, cards, stars and diamonds, you know, all like bougie, you know. I'm just kidding. But yeah, so this is a present. I do like the size too though. I got this, and the reason why I always will stop myself from getting is because I have like super straight hair, and even just to curl it, like the curls won't last that long, you know. So seeing this on clearance, I'm like, okay, you know what, it's just $4, and if it doesn't work, well, I guess. Hi friends, welcome back. Today is Thursday, and I wanted to show you me organizing my medicine on this container. Excuse the laundry thing. Let me go check. I'm washing my dog's beds in there, so they're bulky. So that's why it's making that noise. Anyways, so yeah, I'm gonna organize my little tray. First of all, I am collecting every medicine thing that I have, and I'm gonna clean this, and I'm gonna clean the medicine stuff that I have, because some of it is kind of dusty. See, this is what we have basically collected throughout the years. I knew I was gonna say something. So before I end the vlog, I do want to say my feedback from going to the beach. I went to the beach, me and my husband, and it was like a last minute thing. No, it wasn't on Monday, sorry, it was on Tuesday. It was a last minute decision. I just like, oh, you know what, I want to go to the beach, but because we weren't sure the weather was gonna be good, we ended up making the decision early that morning. My previous experience at the beach, I've only gone once, and that was like years ago, and I just remember that it was stinky. I was just not having it, and I was not in the mood. I just had like a negative mindset on the beach. So, you know, with all my journey and me learning new things and being open-minded, so like, you know what, why don't we go to the beach? And I just went like with a blank mind, like, you know what, let's just go. And I went with a positive mindset and just not really think about bad stuff about it. So we went, we enjoyed it, and guess what, I fell in love with it. And now this is a whole different me, and I am loving it. Anyway, so overall, be open to new experiences, have a different mentality, and you know, just enjoy it. And if you didn't like it, okay, but you know, at least be happy you gave it a try. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.